Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. This is QuisiTech at your service. We're super excited to dive deep into the fascinating world of Realme, and today we're focusing on the Realme Note 50, a truly remarkable device that has made waves in the consumer electronics market. Whether you're a proud owner or just interested in the specs and maintenance of this stellar smartphone, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing a critical aspect of smartphone maintenance: LCD replacement. For the Realme Note 50, if you've ever faced a cracked, malfunctioning, or unresponsive display, you know how vital the LCD is to your daily smartphone experience. So, let's get into the details and help you understand everything you need to know about replacing the LCD on your device, from signs of damage, the tools required, step-by-step procedure, precautions, and tips to ensure a successful replacement. Why is the LCD important? The LCD, liquid crystal display, is the core visual component of your smartphone. It displays all your apps, notifications, photos, videos, and more. A damaged LCD not only hampers your viewing experience, but can also cause further internal issues if not addressed promptly. Common problems include cracks or shattering after accidental drops, dead pixels or discoloration, touch responsiveness issues, flickering or black screens. Understanding when and why to replace the LCD is crucial for maintaining your device's longevity and performance. Signs that your Realme Note 50 needs an LCD replacement. Before jumping into the replacement process, it's essential to diagnose the problem accurately. Here are key indicators. 1. Cracked or shattered screen. Visible physical damage or spiderweb cracks. 2. Unresponsive touch screen. Touch inputs are ignored or delayed. 3. Display artifacts. Lines, spots, dead pixels, or discoloration appear on the screen. 4. Black or blank screen. The device powers on, but the display remains black or blank. 5. Flickering or inconsistent display. Screen flickering or color distortion. If you've experienced any of these issues, a replacement might be necessary. Precautions and tips. Backup data. Always back up your important data before attempting repairs. Use quality parts. Opt for genuine or high-quality replacement LCDs to ensure longevity and performance. Handle components with care. Avoid excessive force to prevent damaging internal parts. Follow static precautions. Use anti-static wrist straps or mats. Patience is key. Take your time and don't rush the process. Conclusion: replacing the LCD on your Realme Note 50 can breathe new life into your device, restoring its visual fidelity and touch responsiveness. While it's a manageable DIY project for experienced tech enthusiasts, always weigh the risks and consider professional repair services if you're unsure. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with fellow tech lovers, and subscribe to QuisiTech for more in-depth tech tutorials and reviews. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.